guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me, I guess, for the currently page in my happy planner. I don't think I have filmed one of these at all this year. I did do my April one, which I posted on Instagram if you follow me on there, but I didn't film one. I know I'm like really behind at filming this one, but I don't know, I just really wanted to film one. I really like the divider for this one, so I think for this currently page I'm going to go back and use this paper pad. This is the one that I use for a spread. I don't remember when, I think back in March. It has a few things here, and I think, I'm sorry if you hear the doorbell ringing, but I kind of wanted to use this. The only thing is that it's purple, so I don't know if it's gonna go, but I figure it's kind of like in the same family. Oh, and this is Holo. Okay, we'll see. And I just realized I didn't write monthly goals for this month, but it's okay. I still want to decorate it. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started.